friends, today we will start with the corporate restructuring. It is the most important concept in strategic management. What is corporate restructuring? It is a process of redesigning one or more aspects of the company. Friends, it is a process of reorganizing a company due to a number of different factors such as positioning the company to be more competitive and survive the company in an adverse economic climate, or force the corporation to move in an entirely new direction. Here are some examples of why corporate restructuring may take place and what it can mean for the company. Friends, here is the types of restructuring. First is expansions. Companies are expanded via mergers, acquisitions, takeovers, tender offers and joint ventures. Then is contraction. Companies are contracted via sell-offs, spin-offs, split-offs, split-ups, divestitures, equity carve-outs. Then corporate controls, that is via takeover defenses, share repurchases, exchange offers, proxy contests. Then is change in ownerships via leveraged buyouts and going private. Friends, in expansion of companies, first of all let us study about the mergers or amalgamations. Friends, a merger refers to the process where at least two companies combine to form a single company. Business firms make use of mergers or acquisitions for the consolidation of markets as well as for gaining a competitive edge in the industry. Friends, merger is a financial tool that is used for enhancing long-term profitability by expanding their operations. Mergers occur when merging companies have their mutual consents as different form of acquisitions which can take the form of hostile takeovers. Friends, there are two forms of mergers or amalgamations. They are absorption and consolidation. Absorption is a combination of two or more companies into an existing company, and consolidation is a combination of two or more companies into a new company. Friends, there are certain reasons for the mergers, that is strategic benefit, that is for competition, for entry, risk, cost reduction, complementary resources, example for technology development and marketing. Then for tax benefits, that is accumulated losses, unabsorbed depreciations, government incentives, sales and excise duty benefits. Then for utilization of surplus funds, for managerial effectiveness, for diversification, for lowering the financing cost, for earnings and growth, etc. There are four types of mergers: horizontal merger, vertical merger, concentric merger and conglomerate merger. What is horizontal merger? It is a type of merger that is occurred when two companies competing in the same line of business activities. The effect of the market will be either large or too less. Number of the firms in industry will be reduced due to horizontal mergers, and this may lead the firms to earn a huge monopoly profits. Horizontal mergers are regulated by the government for the negative effect on competition. In May 2010, Bank of Rajasthan merged with ICICI Bank and AC Cement merged with Damodar Cement. Vertical merger occurs when two companies producing different goods or services for one specific finished product. Friends, it refers to a situation where products manufacturers merge with the supplier of inputs or raw materials, also known as vertical foreclosures. Cost reduction and minimization of transportation costs is the main purpose behind it. Friends, there are two types of vertical mergers, that is backward vertical merger and forward vertical merger. There are examples of backward vertical merger are when HLL and Tata Tea merged, that is for in Assam and West Bengal, and when BPL merged with Upton Color Pictures. And here are the examples of forward vertical merger when all companies buying up service stations and Disney's merged with American Broadcasting Company. Next is conglomerate merger. It is a merger between firms that are involved in totally unrelated business activities. Friends, they are of two types, pure and mixed. The main reason behind such kind of merger is to increase market share, synergy, that is increasing the output, that is more than the individual productions, cross-selling, that is selling different products to the same customers. Friends, they are merged to diversify and reduce the risk exposure. The merger between Walt Disney Company and the American Broadcasting Company is the best example of it. So friends, next is concentric merger. Friends, it's a type of merger where two companies come together to share some common expertise that may possess mutual advantage. Friends, the common expertise may be managerial or technological know-how that may not be industrial or product specific. In short, combining of two or more businesses in order to pool expertise. Friends, the merger between motorcycle manufacturer and automobile manufacturer would be the best example of it. So friends, that is all for the today. Further types of corporate restructuring will be discussed in next videos. Friends, it is proved in the surveys, listening makes the learning easy. So if you really like my videos and they are really helping you, do subscribe them. Thank you.